That branch that you guys cut, about 2 feet. Yeah.
Above you. Oh, I heard him. I heard him.
Probably get it up with people's face.
This is like hey! There. Hey! Just grab him. Just grab it. Don't come down. Yeah.
Oh, you know what they're recording?
No, don't take him off.
Spell your first or last name, sir. What agency you're with?
Eric Miranda, E-R-I-K-M-I-R-A-N-D-A, Battalion Chief with the Orange County Fire Authority.
Chief, kind of a sticky situation here. Starting with the time and the location, walk me through what's going on.
Yeah, so we had an interesting story tonight. We had at approximately 8:44 this evening a call for individuals stuck in a tree. And so as the story unfolded more, we found out that these people were walking home, and one of the two people actually had their pet bird on their shoulder walking to a friend's home. Something spooked the bird. The bird flew from the tree about 20-30 feet, got stuck up there, perched up there, and then the young man, is obviously a very important pet to him, ran up, climbed up the tree to try to get the bird out, and then ended up getting stuck himself, and then requiring us to call in to assist him out of the tree.
And it looks like you had some big truck here.
Yeah, so we basically had our first engine arrived on scene at Orco Engine 62 in Buena Park. Due to the nature of it being a semi-tactical rescue, requested the additional truck, which was Engine 17. And then myself and the technical truck 61, which also is in Buena Park, saw the call go out and added ourselves due to the potential technical nature of the rescue. And then that's why you see a couple of the larger vehicles here to obviously mitigate and determine what was needed to get the individual out of the tree.
No injuries, Chief? Any civilians or firefighters?
No injuries here. It's actually just a really good, feel-good call where we're able to come in. You know, obviously a lot of good intentions. Someone got stuck, but you know, luckily and gladly we were able to both get the individual out as well as their pet.
Bird's okay?
Bird is doing great.
Spell your first and last name.
I'm sorry?
Your first name and last name.
My name is Sophia Hashimi.
Sophia, what happened tonight? I noticed your brother climbed up the tree.
Yes, my bird flew off my shoulder and he went up on the tree because he got startled. And he decided that it was a good idea to climb the tree and grab him. But he got stuck, so we decided to call the fire department, see if they could help us.
What kind of bird is it?
He's a